today that most parents around here have waited for so long in their life. To welcome us all on this milestone for candidates for graduation, please welcome Precious Joel P. Alvar with high honors, grade 6 precise Gulay.
To our highly respected person in the district of Minganilga II, Mr. Anolfo V. Compuesto. To our very own Principal 3 of Lipata Central Elementary School, Mrs. Mona Lisa T. Pardillo. Attorney Philip Abad and his secretary. Our guidance, designated Mrs. Tisha Abeso. Award to teachers, parents, fellow graduates, a warm and pleasant morning to all. The most significant event of a student's life is none other than the graduation. It brings a mixture of joy and pain. Joy for reaching our goals and pain for saying goodbye to the people who became part of our lives. To our teachers, parents, administrators, and our Almighty Father, thank you for helping us reach this momentous occasion. Individually, we face different challenges, opportunities, and hardships. Yet, together, we embrace all of them with open arms. The next coming years will be our new journey. More challenges are coming our way. To us, who will embark to another chapter of our lives. As we march out into the bigger world and toss away our toga as a meaningful memory of our first accomplishments, we must realize then that our graduation day is not the end, thus a symbol of a new beginning. On behalf of my fellow batchmates, it is my honor and pride to welcome you all to the 91st graduation exercises of Lipata Central Elementary School with the theme, Kabataan Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. Batchmates, I wish you all the luck for the coming years of our lives as we continue our journey. Thank you and welcome you